1.3 Appointments of Election Commissioners. So this topic was in news because Supreme Court questioned the government why they are not introducing any law to regulate appointments of chief election commissioners and election commissioners. So they introduced a private members bill on it. So before knowing that, let's know some of the main aspects of election commission. So Article 324 deals with the Election Commission of India. So the tenure of Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioners is 6 years or 65 years, whichever is earlier. And the Election Commissioner and Chief Election Commissioners receive salary and perks same like the Supreme Court judges. So the Chief Election Commissioner cannot be removed before his tenure, while other election commissioners can be removed only on the recommendations of Chief Election Commissioner. So the Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioner are appointed by President under Article 324 Clause 2. So and this 324 Clause 2 empowers the President to decide the number of election commissioners from time to time. So this topic was in news because a private member bill was introduced in the Lok Sabha regarding the formation of selection committee for election commissioners. So now what is this private member bill? Here, the private member bill means a bill introduced by the member other than ministers. It can be introduced and discussed only on Fridays. Since 1970, from the year 1970, no private bill has become an act till date. Okay, now coming to the first topic, the bill. This bill said that the election commissioners should not be eligible for further jobs post retirements. After retirements, the election commissioners should not be eligible for any further jobs following the Dinesh Goswami Committee recommendations on electoral reforms in 1990. So, the Dinesh Goswami Committee recommended that the Chief Election Commissioner or the Election Commissioner should not take up any other post after the requirements. So based on those recommendations, one of the topic of this bill was this. So next is a panel which consists of 7 members. See here you can see the 7 members: the Prime Minister, 2 senior most judges of Supreme Court, Chief Justice of India, leader of opposition or floor leader in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, and Union Home Minister. So this panel consisting of all these members should suggest members for election commissioner and chief election commissioners for their appointments to the prime minister. Okay, so the third point is the tenure of this election commissioner and chief election commissioners is 6 years, and the regional election commissioners is 3 years. So these are some of the key aspects of the private members bill on election commission.